Not a fan of nail polish, or just looking for an easy, perfect manicure? Well, you're in luck. Join me because I'm going to show you how to get the perfect polish-free manicure using Dashing Diva's Ultimate Gloss Strips. I'm Robin, and you found me here at Charming Guru channel, where you'll find a variety of cosmetic and beauty how-to videos. I'm going to show you how to use gloss strips right now. Before applying gloss strips, wash your hands, trim, and shape nails. Make sure your nails are free of any oils and lotions by wiping with alcohol. Our nails are in ready mode. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite nail polish-free manicure options are. Now, let's get these gloss strips on. Size your nails and choose the best fit. Now remove the excess strip. And detail the fit with the nail file. Gloss strips are vinyl designs with medical grade adhesive and should last about 14 days. This is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Bye!